all-female skydiving team as they work their way high and overhead right now. And then we're going to be seeing our showcase portion of our day with a whole great deal of warbirds. And Jim Pines joins us flying the Bonanza, the Beechcraft Bonanza, for a great display of aerobatics. So
during World War II, yes, they did move it up. And I can tell you firsthand from hearing it right here in Oshkosh in the year 1980 from Chuck Yeager. He was out there with the ME-252. He said they were phenomenal. And our guys did a great job of not getting shot down by the P-52. The jet in this middle is in the front. The 251 is on the tail.
Immersed in aviation from Pierre, South Dakota, Mr. Gentleman Jim Pines, and the aerobatic bonanza to your right.